Hey guys, my name is Sophia, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own DIY snow globe. For this, you will need some glitter. I chose these ones because these are my favorite colors. You would also need a jar. You can have a small jar, medium jar, large jar, it really doesn't matter. And you will need some water, like this. And just for fun, you can also add some stickers on the outside. I chose these because, I'm a Glitter Force fan. And some beads to put inside the jar. So first you're going to have to open up your jar and place the water inside of it. Like this. Once you get to the medium height, like this, we can stop. So now that our jar is like that, let's go ahead and add the glitter inside of it. You can put as much glitter as there as you want, but still, I would only choose like a few of them. Then you can add the other glitter in there. I did a few of them. And my sister is helping me, of course. And then you'll need a stirring spoon, which I forgot apparently. And you're just going to have to stir it all in there. Then if that doesn't work out for you, Annabelle, give me the towel. So while Annabelle's gonna run off to get some of my stuff, I'm just gonna leave the bowl, leave the thing right there. So, yeah, give me the towel. This is not how I expected to go like this. And you just put on the jar. Put on the jar lid and then just kind of want to shake it or something. And when you got something like this, and then just for fun, you can put the beads in there. So I have these beads. They're from the Beatos gem collection thing. I just put some in there. Actually, no. I just remembered Beatos stick together when they're placed in water. I have no idea what's wrong with me today, but maybe it's because I just woke up on the wrong side of the bed. So while my sister's going to get some new beads, I'm going to go ahead and stick some of these stickers on. So I personally want to stick all the characters on there, so I'm just going to stick a few of them on there. Like this one, for instance. I really like this one. This one's probably one of my favorites. And so we just stick those on there. So basically, what you want to do is basically stick all of the stickers around, up and down, side to side if you want. It's different. By the way, you can watch the Glitter Force series on Netflix. It's really cool. So, yeah. So, what you want to do is just stick them all around or something. So if you run out of stickers, you can just place some more on there. I'm just going to place another one of the tiny stickers on there. So let me see what I've got. Yeah, here we go. This one would work. This one will work. Alright, when you feel like you have enough stickers on there, you can go ahead and put the beads on there. Apparently, my sister found some more, which is pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and put those inside the jar. Thank you so much, Annabelle. And apparently she found like these really big ones, which will be so good to put in there. So, oops. So let's just go ahead and put, okay. So let's just go ahead and put in all of these beads now, shall we? Let's put all of them in here. Does these have tape on them or something? Ah, here we go. So then we just put a few beads in there. A few more. One more pair, and then that's it. And maybe if you want, you can just add another big one in there. All right, and then there's a butterfly, of course. And another one. All right, so when you have enough of what you want, you just close the jar in there. Now, if the top doesn't really stick on that much, you can put some tape on there, but I'm not going to do that. So then you just shake it. Then you have one of your very own snow globes. You could put your name on there. Now, one of these stickers has one of these name things right there. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it on there. Now, I'm going to need a marker for this, so I need a Sharpie. So can you go grab me a Sharpie, please? Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna pick this one right over here. Here we go. Now I chose this one. This one's gotta be one of my favorites. So then you just place it on top. And then in the blank space, you can write your name, which I'm going to go do right now. Since my sister is gonna grab a Sharpie or a pen, whatever would work. So like this red one, for instance. So I'm just gonna write my name. Sophia. There we go. So that's how you make your very own DIY snow globe. And apparently I have a few spills, but I'll clean that up later. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. And I'll see you guys next time on more Galore. Bye!